Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside WhatsApp. Open the app and tap Settings in the bottom right. Once done, choose Chats to access Wallpaper. This is where WhatsApp stores background controls. You need the app updated so options appear, but don't stall, tap Wallpaper immediately. You'll see current wallpaper preview and buttons for photos, solid colors, and default. Make sure to understand you can set separate wallpapers for light and dark modes. Proceed to pick a source now to customize the chat look. You've chosen a source, photos, or solid colors, so pick an image or color and preview it. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag to reposition the frame. This changes how messages overlay the image, so adjust for legibility. Once it looks right, tap Set to apply. Note you can enable separate for light and dark to keep contrast in both modes. If setting from photos, confirm WhatsApp has photo permission. Otherwise, it won't access the image, and you'll need to enable permission in iPhone settings. You're nearly done. Back out to Chats and open any conversation to confirm the wallpaper applied. If you don't see changes, force quit and reopen WhatsApp because cache sometimes prevents updates. Make sure Photos permission is allowed in iPhone settings. Without it, WhatsApp can't use your images. If problems persist, update iOS or WhatsApp, and as a last resort, export Chats and reinstall the app. That usually resolves stubborn faults while preserving or restoring your wallpaper choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.